Alright guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. It's your first time stopping in. Be sure to subscribe. If you got any questions, leave it in the comments. Like I said, hold on. I got a commercial going out here.
Oh, the places you'll go.
Oh, the places you will go.
There is fun to be done.
There's definitely fun to be done. I have taken this to a whole nother level. In my previous video, you seen I unboxed this little, I don't know. It's supposed to be a radio, Bluetooth receiver, but that's what I think about it. Holy shit. Oh, damn, I thought I made that in the trash. It was this close. But, yeah, that little guy, terrible. It's the GoHawk 40, or GoHawk TY978. Ordering it off eBay. Don't ever do it. Terrible. I mean, I couldn't expect much for 40 bucks, but it could have been a little bit better than what it was. The EQ button didn't even work, so there was no way for me to pull any kind of bass out of it, because I mean, I really don't care about having bass. I just want some vocals, some mids. So I had some radios and some speakers laying around, and this is where I'm at. This is what I have come up with. These are the, I don't even know, old school janks right here. These things are older than me, but I'm going to be mounting them to this bracket right here, and we're going to run them off of a old Pioneer radio that I have. Unfortunately, it doesn't have Bluetooth, but it does always have auxiliary. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything mounted up, and then I'll go a little bit over what I did with you guys. So I'll be back in a few minutes. How do you lose impact? I got the drill. But I need more than a drill. Impact. Roscoe, what'd you do with it? Alright. Stupid.
Idiots!
One eternity later.
Oh no, the Wi-Fi failed! Shit! Fucking Wi-Fi! How you gonna do me like that? How you gonna do me like that? Oh look! Commercial! Ah! T-Rex! Run! Run! Alright guys, so as you can see, it is playing. It sounds pretty damn good. I got better highs than your radio in your car. We got a radio here, one speaker, two speakers. One fuse for the radio right there. Goes over there. After doing all that, went to move the tractor. I was like, what the fuck? That's pretty sad right there. I'm gonna have to go pay old Tito a visit tomorrow. I had a tire that was just dry rotted and bad. Took it over and had Tito at Lee's Wheel and Tire change it for me. And that little shit right there, the damn valve stem's leaking. I mean, it's not a big deal. Shit happens. I'll just go back over there tomorrow and have him change it out. But appreciate you guys watching. Be sure to hit subscribe. If you got any questions, leave it in the comments. More crazy projects coming. We'll be getting some wood to begin the walls for the building. Then after that, we will be moving it over. I know it's a long, drawn-out process, but if anybody watching this knows, things just don't happen overnight. So we'll get to it when we get to it. But yeah, that's about it for this upload. Be sure to hit subscribe. Be sure to ring that notification bell. And I'll holler at you guys. I'm out.